What do we mean when we talk about headache? What do we mean when we talk about drug discovery? What do we mean when we talk about a specific symptom? In the case of headache, what we mean basically, we mean that there is pain inside the head. So there is head, pain, which is basically a message that is being transferred through neurons. This is how we humans understand things. We add Bayesian probabilities to different combination of concepts in order for us to be able to assign credences to what might happen in the future. This is why we do not need to have correlations, but we only need causalities. This is how our brain works. My name is Nikos and I'm the CEO of Intoolab. Intoolab is basically an AI startup for biomedicine, and we have created the first Bayesian brain that tries to emulate exactly what I described to you. It tries to emulate how we humans understand the world. Jagger has created its own Bayesian probabilistic brain. It has created its own fractal connections. Jagger understands headache exactly like we do. Jagger understands all the diseases, all the different therapies, not statistically or correlationally, but probabilistically, by assigning meaning, by creating huge trees of fractals. A big difference with Jagger is that it's not just another deep learning algorithm that is being trained through specific preprocessed data to solve a specific problem. Jagger is trying to understand how the human body works as a whole. Jagger is trying to understand what we mean when we talk about a therapy. What do we mean when we say that there is a disease somewhere? What does this mean? It means that specific things are grouped in a specific place in the body at a specific point in time. This is how Jagger understands things. So Jagger can simulate in its own models what will happen in the future if it has the right data for the specific patient. Jagger is not a statistical algorithm, it's a causal algorithm that is trying to add sequences on what will happen if this and if this, and why things might turn this way or that way. This is the beauty, and this is exactly what is being missing from drug discovery and biomedicine. We need algorithms that are able to understand why things happen, not just that are able to predict specific things because we created that type of algorithm. We need to make algorithms predict why things happen because this is how the body works, not because this is how the algorithm works. And this is what we did. We are very happy to be among you. We will be honored if we could come to Berlin, but we understand that this can happen right now, and we'll be much more honored if you can consider Intoolab and Jagger. Thank you.